Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Thank you. Sir, this batch is, you can see data structures and algorithms by using which programming language? Java. So we are going to develop the programs by using which programming language? Java, sir. And this concept data structures and algorithms is invoked with two things. One is data structures, another one is algorithms. Okay. So if you want to sustain in IT industry or to get a good job in IT industry, you need totally three tools in your hand. What is the first one? Any programming language. Second one, logical thinking. Third one, DSA. These three things are very, very important. Sir, coming to programming language, you can use any programming language. For example, you may be strong in C language, you may be strong in C++ or Java or Python or JavaScript, anything. So one language you must be very clear. And logical thinking means, sir, if you are getting any problem, how we can able to solve the problem? You should have clear clarity on that. How you are going to get this concept? By practicing more examples, you can able to develop your logical thinking capabilities. And finally, sir, which is very important, DSA. So whenever you are developing any project, compulsory you have to apply certain data structures. It is mandatory. Maybe your application may use a sorting. So you need to sort the data while taking the data from the user, or you may apply some kind of algorithms like first in first out or last in first out or some kind of algorithms. So how you can get all these things with the help of DSA? These are the three main important tools for everyone to become an IT expert. Okay. So in these two things I'm not going to handle as of now. Sir, I'm going to handle data structures and algorithms. Okay. Sir, clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. Coming to the prerequisite. Sir, what the things we are going to cover in this course? To develop the programs, anyway, I will explain algorithms and what you can call data structures, but to demonstrate that compulsory, I need to type the program and I need to execute, right? For that, you must require prerequisite as a core Java. Sir, you must be strong in core Java, then only you can understand the things which I am going to explain. Sir, in this Java, what the tools I need to be expert? Very simple, the basics of Java and object creation, how you can able to create object and constructors, like what is the purpose of constructor, how it is going to be invoked, next and after that methods. This basic information is sufficient on core Java. And coming to the batch, it is a 6 weekend batch and it will be taken place only on Saturdays and Sundays. And the fees is rupees 3000. Timings is not 7 p.m., sir, it is 6 p.m. Every Saturday and Sunday, you will be having the sessions. So, up to this course details clear?
It is for 1 hour session or 2 hours, 6 p.m. to 7
No,
p.m.
sir,
Or
no, sir, no, sir, it is almost 2 hours, sometimes 3 hours also. Minimum two
okay,
hour session will be there. Minimum 2 hours.
okay. The timing will be remain same or it will be
Yes,
changed?
timing is same, sir.
Are you sure, sir?
Actually, yeah, sure, sir. Actually, what happened is last 2 weeks back, we announced a batch. In that, 5 members registered. There is only one student who is coming regular to the class. So remaining
Okay.
students just they are watching the videos. So for one student spending 2 hours or 3 hours is difficult task, right?
Yes, sir.
That is the reason we announced another batch so that
Okay.
I'm going to combine with that. Okay.
Okay. Great, sir. The 6 p.m. timing will be suitable for me.
Ah,
7
yes,
p.m.
yes. 6 p.m. is fixed, sir.
Okay. 6
6
p.m. to
p.m.
8
to
p.m. Right?
8 p.m. 8 p.m.
Great, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, sometimes maybe if any disturbance is there, I will postpone to 7. That may be rare cases, 7 to
Okay.
9 like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other questions?
No, sir.
Yeah, remaining. Please confirm. Remaining.
No question
Yes,
from
sir.
my side,
We are
sir.
clear.
Yeah. So coming to the syllabus, what we are going to discuss as a first topic, algorithms. Part 1 algorithms will be there. In this algorithm, first we are going to see what is mean by time complexity, what is mean by space complexity. Next and after that, what is mean by recursive algorithms, backtracking means what, divide and conquer algorithms, sorting algorithms. Next and after that, searching algorithms, dynamic programming, greedy method, hashing. These are the algorithms which we are going to cover. In each and every algorithm, first I will explain the concept, then I am going to demonstrate some applications which are working on this, and I am going to give some programming also on this. And if possible, I will give some assessment assignments also for each and every topic. So this is a first part what we are going to see as a part of algorithm. Clear, friends?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes, we got it.
Now, coming to the data structures, sir, we are going to spend some time on data structure, which is very important, which eagerly you people are waiting. So as a part of these data structures, just we are going to talk about linked list, how to create a linked list. Around 50 operations on the linked list I am going to explain with the help of programs. Single linked list, double linked list, circular linked list. Okay, circular single, circular double also we are going to demonstrate. After that, stack data structure. After that, queue data structure. After that, tree data structure. Next, priority queue. Okay, or it is also called as a heap. Next, graph. These are the data structures which I am going to take. Sir, compared with algorithms, data structures will take much time. So why? Because lengthy programs, more complex operations we need to do. So this is about the syllabus pattern what we are going to cover. Any questions?
Sir, we are not including the array and all
Array and all is a
because
basic
in
thing, sir.
okay. So these are also
So
will be covered. Means I mean that
yes,
will be
yes.
also covered.
Every topic will be covered in this. If you want arrays and videos, arrays and strings, okay, I'm going to provide a video link. You can watch that because
Yeah, these
these
are
things
very
are
basics,
already.
but these are very important also.
Yeah. That's what I'm telling. Arrays and strings are already you have studied in Java, right? Nothing no here.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so there is no new concept. So that's why I'm not going to talk on these because again it will become a core Java class. That's right. Okay. If you want to prepare on that, I will share videos. Some around 4 hours, 6 hours lengthy video is there on arrays and the same on string that I will give you. You can practice. Okay.
Okay. So thank you very much.
Uh, Any other questions?
No.
Clear it? Clear it?
Clear, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, right. So these are nothing but the topics which I am going to take. So now please, I already told right, I am actually out of station. Okay, so I am in driving. Just I stopped my car and I am taking this demo class. So tomorrow we will continue as usual at 6 p.m. So tomorrow I am going to start one topic. There won't be any demo sessions separate, regular class separate. Tomorrow itself I am going to start the regular class. From day one I am going to take the concepts. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. What will be the tomorrow's timing?
6 p.m.
Yes,
6
6
p.m.
p.m. sharp join. Okay. So I will
Okay.
start one topic in the tomorrow. Tomorrow maybe 1.5 hour, 2 hour session will be there. Okay.
Sir, will you
Okay.
explain the data structure how we will use in real life project?
No, sir, there won't be any real life projects. I'm going to explain the concept, how you are
Mm-hmm.
going to utilize that concept in the programming part. Automatically, when you are talking about that itself, you will came to know where this data structure is suitable.
Yes, sir.
So
Main
once
question
if
is that.
once if the real time scenario came into your table, then only you can think which data structure we can apply for that, right?
Okay, okay, sir.
At the time of project development, you will use this. Here we are not
Okay.
going to take any projects.
No, I'm not talking about the project.
Hmm.
After the course, we will get.
You can. Yes, you can happily.
Okay, sir.
See, while introduction, suppose if you take stack, after giving some 20 to 30 minutes introduction to stack itself, so you will get some idea where we are going to use this stack.
Yes,
And
sir.
once if you see the implementation, you will get a clarity in the projects how they are going to implement. Suppose if you take any queue, so in all those areas also we are using all these concepts. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any
Thank you,
other
sir.
questions? Yeah.
No,
Please.
sir.
Sir, the
Good
questions,
evening, sir.
sir, the class will be recorded.
Yes, every class will be recorded. Recorded videos also will be shared. Maximum on the same day, if not next day.
Okay, thank you.
Sir,
Maximum try to attend a live classes, sir, because interaction is required, right? Watching the videos everyone will do. Maximum, if time not permits, then okay. At least once in a weekend, right? We are not taking the classes regularly. At least try to
Yeah,
attend
that's
for 1
correct,
hour
sir.
or 2 hours. So the intention of joining the course is not to watch the videos. You can purchase the videos. But the thing is, you should have an interaction. At least one program you need to practice. Then only. Okay.
sir, there are lot of platforms are available, like lead code, but I
Mhm.
can't able to understand the problem given in a lead code. So how
Okay.
can I solve that problem?
That is the thing what I'm trying to express in the beginning. See, if you are having directly the people what they are doing is to solve the problem, they will open lead code. Some colleges or some people are going to tell in the training sessions like lead code problems you prepare. Then immediately they will go for lead code and they try to solve the first problem. See, lead code is not a channel or it is not a training institute where they are going to provide the programs level by level. So it is a kind of a platform where the worldwide programmers can do their experiments. So if you are entering into that, you should have at least 50% knowledge. So that is
Yes,
we are going to cover here. So I told right in the linked list around 50 operations I am going to cover. If you see any problem in a linked list, either in lead code or code chef or anywhere, hacker rank anywhere, easily you can able to understand the problem statement. Once if the problem get understand, solution will become very easy.
Okay, sir.
okay, sir.
That thing, if you want to get more practice, don't copy paste the code from chat GPT or anywhere else. First you need to practice. Just less time, right? Now the coders will become very few people are becoming the programmers. So if you are one of that, then taking the help of these AI tools, you will become a good programmer. More demands will be there. Okay. Yes, any other questions?
No, no, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah,
Tomorrow we
right.
are starting which topic?
Tomorrow I will reveal that topic.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow is a very interesting topic we are going to see. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, right. Thank you, guys. You can leave. The screen will be like this only. Just you can leave. Hmm?
Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.